Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel again, and today we're gonna learn about how to create a basic calculator just in 5 minutes. How amazing it is. So please be with me and watch this video till end, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon for more videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we have to import our Tkinter module, and then we have to create our window. And here I have defined the geometry window. 350 is the width and 460 is the length, and window.title is equals to calculator. And let me show you. Okay, this is the calculator that I have created here, and this is the title over here. This is the length, and this, which is equal to 460. This is the width, 350. And txt is a string variable. It's used to store the data whatever we enter in the text field or entry field. Like all these numbers are getting stored in this txt field, and expression is going to store the expression in it. And this is the function. Okay, after that we have created a function here by the name of click, and we have passed a parameter num, and we have taken an expression as a global variable. And what this function will do, actually it will update the text in our expression in the entry box. So this is our entry box, and it will update the text or the expression in it. Okay, and this is the basic logic we used here. Expression is equal to expression plus strnum. Basically it will concatenate the numbers with the other numbers one by one. I have write here 5, and now I am going to write here 6. So it is concatenating 5 with 6. So actually this is the function of this function. And now I'm going to now I have created a function called as equal function. It is used to evaluate the final expression, like 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So this 5 will come by the sake of this function, and which is the equal function, and we will trigger this event or the function in this button, equal button. And I have put all that code into the try and catch block, and here we use the two built-in function, str and eval. Eval is the basic function to evaluate, and str is it will evaluate the expression, and the result will be stored in the string format in that add variable. And txt.set we used to update our text by using the set function, which is a built-in function. And here we passed a parameter called as add, and if there is an error, so it will show an error like this. And now we are going to create our CLR function. This is the clear entry function. We also call it as the backspace function. So global, we also taken our expression as a global variable, and then we have taken the length by using the get function, txt.get. It will get the whole length of the text, and now e1.delete length minus 1. So one by one it will backspace, or it will delete the entries one by one. And this is the function for the clear all. You can see this. And now we are going to design here the design of the main frame or the front end of the calculator. Frame 1, I have created here the 2 frames. This is the frame 1, where I have put the label and the entry field, and the frame 2 contains the buttons here. So this is the coding for the frame 1 and frame 2, and this is the coding for the label, and this is the coding for the entry box. And here we use the basic functions of the label and the basic function of the entry, and the properties like width and border property and FG and background color and relief and justify. So everything is the similar. You are familiar with all that functions, and these are the coding for the buttons here. So when we press any button or so the command or the function affiliated with it will be executed. For example, if I clear all this and I'm writing here 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. So the equal function is affiliated with that function button, and so it is executed here. And this is the pad X, and we have used here the pad X and pad Y, and this is the coding for all the buttons. It's same but with a little bit changes in the. Okay, one more thing, I have used here the command is equals to lambda, and this is an anonymous function. We don't need to define it in a very typical way like def command lambda. So it's an individual function, and command is equals to lambda colon click 9. So it will execute the button 9, and here I've given the text 9. So when we will press 9, so it will be written here as 9. So this is the basic function of this command method or the function, and these all are the button here, and we have triggered the events with these function. Like this is the clear entry function, and I have affiliate this CLR function with that button, and for the equal button I have affiliate the text equal command, and for the clear all I have affiliated that clear all function. So then this is the window.main loop. You're familiar with it, that just keep showing the window unless we close it manually. So hope you understand this code, and hope you like it. And if you want this code, so the link is in the description below, and please subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon for more videos, and like my video if you like it. So bye for now, take care, and Allah Hafiz.